Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Anna. If you are not, welcome back. As you guys saw from the title, today I'm going to be doing an updated blow dry routine. It's been about a year that I made a video. It was a review and demo of the Revlon brush. Now, if you guys still doubt in getting this, you guys need to get your hands on one of these, especially if you like the blow dry style of hair and you don't like straightening it. I love to do this to my hair. I don't do it as often, but I do. It just gives such pretty volume. It's shiny, it's silky, it's soft, and I love it. So if you are interested in knowing my new technique that I've learned over this past year on how to blow dry my hair with the Revlon brush, just keep on watching. Hi guys, so to start off, I'm going to add some of this leave-in conditioner. Now I just started using this and so far it does help with the frizz. So I'm just gonna rake it in my hair. Next, I'm gonna put some heat protectant. This is from Fantasia, I guess, and it is to blow dry or straighten your hair. I've always used this, like always, since I was a teenager, and I always go back to this. I don't really care for like the spray kind heat protectors. I just don't like the way they make my hair feel, so I've always used the Serum oil kind. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with the bottom of my hair and I'm just gonna clip it. I'm gonna start with like small sections just to make sure that my hair does get dry. And where'd I leave my clip? Okay guys, so I start blow drying and I start at my roots. I want to make sure that my roots are dry first. And once I start focusing on the rest of the length, I just make sure I keep spinning the brush. I don't like to just brush down because that creates like a flat, more straight look. And since I want volume, the secret is to just keep spinning that brush as if you were using a round brush and a blow dryer. If you were doing it traditionally, just keep spinning that brush. Wherever you want more volume, that's where you want to focus. So if you want more volume on your roots, you just keep spinning the brush right by your roots, and that will give you the effect of super big volume hair. So when I get to this part of my hair, which is like pretty much the crown, I guess, I blow dry. I stop blow drying backwards and I start blow drying it forward. So it's the same thing. I'm gonna take a section, I'm gonna clip. Forward because my hair is going to sit back. So what that is doing, it's adding volume since I'm forcing the hair to sit in its not natural place. So for instance, if you part your hair on the right, you want to blow dry your hair to the left. That way when you flip it over to the right, you're going to have so much volume because you just made your hair stay to the side where it doesn't normally sit. I hope that makes sense. And I am all done. You guys, look at this volume. And this is without me putting any type of volumizer in it. It's just a plain old heat resistant serum and this amazing brush. And that is it. You guys see, like, after this, all I do is put a little bit of the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum, and this is like humidity resistant. Really weigh it down. As you can tell, I'm not like putting it on, I'm just raking it on, and that is it. So much volume, and this is how I blow dry my hair. You guys, hope you guys enjoyed this updated video of how I blow dry my hair. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.